Troy from Full Gamut Defense Arts, and we're going to work on the Coup from Savate. Sorry if my pronunciation is not totally correct, but Coup. You'll see a lot of times in MMA, because they don't have shoes, you'll sort of see this version, this reverse to the knee, okay? This is also a Savate kick, but it's not the kick that we're doing now. This is where the technique is really devastating, is when you're hitting someone in the opposite stance, okay? If I'm right-handed, he's southpaw. This is going right, and it skims to here. At the same time, I'm not showing you the full technique, I'm actually leaning back like a pendulum. Okay, does that hurt? Sorry about that.
No, that's good.
I'm going really light, and I wish we could show this on something hard or a bag, but this is a very painful technique, and we're just, like I said, southpaw versus right-hander. If he's gonna go back at me to do this, this is where I'm gonna take it in the inside of the shin, okay? But the technique of it, it's skimming, and
almost like you're trying to kick sand at it.
Basically, from your back foot, you'll notice that the positioning of the foot really doesn't change as it stays at that same angle. Okay? Okay, so here he's gonna throw a jab. Okay, see how I'm out of the way? We also have this from the front. We're not gonna go over that. It kind of is more of a sweeping motion. Now you don't see this in MMA because you don't have the shoes on. This would be, there's no point. But in the street, you wanna go back to the other stance? Right-handed, we're here. This is just as effective, okay? Go ahead and throw a jab. And remember, a pendulum, okay? Without him there, see? I'm just leaning back. Savate's still kind of a little unknown. You don't see a lot of it, but this is a technique I highly recommend. Not only you getting your head out of the line of the target, it's very safe. Say something goes wrong, look. So we are, see?
Yeah, and that's where good hard-soled shoes would come in.
Exactly. Imagine a steel toe.
Yeah.
So that's the thing, is we're dealing with street technique. It's so much different. I don't ever discourage people to train MMA. MMA is so important. It gives you all the basic skill set. I've trained in MMA. I did MMA for 10 years. It gives you the skill set you need to survive in a fight. You just have to learn how to train these extra things that come into play.